Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to bring you 19 car gadgets on Amazon. We cover topics about Amazon products and gadgets on a regular basis on our channel. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any updates from us. Number 1. Upgrade your driving experience with the Wolfbox G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dashcam. This sleek, smart rearview mirror offers stunning 2160p Full HD for crystal clear front and rear views. Perfect for cars and trucks, it features night vision and parking assistance to ensure safety day and night. With the included 32GB card and GPS, you'll have everything you need for effortless installation and comprehensive road coverage. Drive smarter and safer with the Wolfbox G840S. Number 2. Capture every moment on the road with the VMIT V300 Wi-Fi dashcam. This compact, hidden camera records in 1296p for crystal clear footage, even at night. Easily control and view recordings via the dedicated app. The dashcam supports loop recording and 24-hour parking mode, ensuring continuous protection. With support for up to 256GB of storage, you'll never miss a detail. Enhance your driving security with the sleek and reliable VMIT V300. Number 3. Elevate your driving security with our dual dashcam front and rear 2K plus 1080p. This high-performance car camera offers crystal clear 4K footage for the front view and 1080p for the rear. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, night vision, and 24-hour parking monitor, it ensures comprehensive protection day and night. Enjoy seamless loop recording and ample storage with the included 64GB SD card. Drive with confidence using our top-of-the-line dual dashcams. Number 4. Ensure every drive is secure with our 4K plus 1080p dual dashcam front and rear. Capture stunningly clear footage with wide 170 degrees angles, enhanced by night vision for low light conditions. The compact 2.0-inch display and built-in Wi-Fi and GPS make monitoring and reviewing videos effortless via the app. Equipped with a G-sensor for impact detection and a free 32GB card for ample storage, this mini car camera offers unparalleled protection for your vehicle. Drive smarter and safer with our premium dual dash camera. Number 5. Capture every detail on the road with the ROVE R2-4K dashcam. This premium dashboard camera features UHD 2160p recording, a 2.4-inch IPS screen, and a 150 degrees wide-angle lens for comprehensive coverage. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, you can easily track your journeys and share footage instantly. The WDR technology and advanced night vision ensure crystal clear videos, day or night. Upgrade your driving experience with the ROVE R2-4K for ultimate peace of mind on the road. Number 6. Enhance your driving security with the VMIT S80 dual dashcam. Capture every detail with stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recordings. This compact dashcam features a 1.47-inch display, night vision, and 24-hour parking mode for continuous protection. Easily manage footage through the Wi-Fi-enabled app. The G-sensor ensures critical moments are saved, and loop recording maximizes storage efficiency. Support for up to 256GB means you'll never miss a moment. Drive confidently with the VMIT S80. Number 7. Experience unparalleled protection with the Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel dashcam. Featuring 4K front, 1080p inside, and 1080p rear recording, this triple car camera captures every angle in stunning detail. The Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor provides exceptional night vision, while 4K HDR enhances video quality. Enjoy hands-free operation with voice control and accurate tracking with built-in GPS. With 24-hour parking mode and support for up to 512GB, the N4 Pro ensures continuous, high-quality surveillance for your vehicle. Drive with confidence using Vantrue's ultimate dash cam solution. Number 8. Upgrade your driving experience with the GKU D600 dashcam front and rear camera. Capture every moment in stunning 4K/2.5K resolution with 170 degrees wide-angle lenses. Easily control and view footage via the Wi-Fi enabled app. Enjoy crystal clear recordings day or night with advanced night vision and WDR technology. The included 64GB SD card, G-sensor, loop recording, and parking mode ensure continuous and reliable protection. Enhance your road safety with the GKU D600 Dashcam. Number 9. Enhance your driving safety with our front and rear dashcam, offering crystal clear 4K/2.5K 30 frames per second recording. Equipped with 5 GHz Wi-Fi, a 2-inch IPS screen, and a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, this dash camera provides seamless control and broad coverage. Capture every detail day or night with advanced night vision. The included 64GB SD card, loop recording, G-sensor, and parking monitor ensure continuous protection. Upgrade to our premium dashcam for comprehensive road security. Number 10. Capture every drive in stunning detail with our 4K Wi-Fi dashcam. Recording in crystal clear 2160p, this dash camera ensures you never miss a moment. Effortlessly manage and view footage with smart app control. Equipped with WDR and super night vision, it delivers exceptional video quality in all lighting conditions. The included 64GB SD card, parking mode, G-sensor, and loop recording provides seamless and reliable protection. With support for up to 256GB, this dash cam is your ultimate road companion for enhanced safety and peace of mind. Number 11. Drive with confidence using the REDTIGER Dashcam, featuring 4K front and 2.5K rear cameras for full HD clarity. The 3.16-inch IPS screen and built-in Wi-Fi and GPS make it easy to view and share footage. Benefit from advanced night vision, a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, and WDR technology for clear recordings in all conditions. The included 32GB card, along with 24-hour parking mode, ensures continuous protection and convenience. Elevate your vehicle's security with the REDTIGER Dashcam. Number 12. Enhance your driving security with our 2K Mini Dashcam. This compact camera offers high-resolution front recordings, complete with WDR night vision for clear footage in low light. Control and review videos effortlessly via the app and enjoy continuous protection with 24-hour parking monitor and loop recording. The built-in G-sensor ensures crucial moments are saved. Ideal for any vehicle, this Wi-Fi-enabled dashcam delivers reliable performance and peace of mind. Number 13. Transform your driving experience with our 9-inch wireless CarPlay touchscreen featuring a built-in 4K dashcam. This versatile car stereo supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering seamless integration with your smartphone. Enjoy crystal clear 1080p backup camera visuals, GPS navigation, and easy mirror link functionality. Voice control and Bluetooth enhance convenience and safety. Upgrade your car's tech with this all-in-one solution for enhanced connectivity and comprehensive road monitoring. Number 14. Elevate your in-car experience with our 7-inch HD Apple CarPlay screen. This portable car stereo features a responsive touch screen and supports wireless Android Auto, offering seamless smartphone integration. Equipped with a backup camera for enhanced safety, it also includes GPS navigation, mirror link functionality, and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calls and music. Voice control ensures convenient operation while driving. Upgrade your car's audio and tech with this all-in-one solution for a smarter, safer ride. Number 15. Upgrade your vehicle with our 7-inch portable wireless CarPlay screen. This versatile doubled-in car stereo supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering seamless integration with your smartphone. Enjoy multimedia playback, a built-in backup camera for enhanced safety, and mirror link functionality for easy access to your apps. The navigation screen provides accurate directions, making it ideal for all vehicles. Transform your driving experience with this all-in-one solution for connectivity and convenience. Number 16. Power up with confidence using the Clore Automotive Jump and Carry JNC 770R. This premium 12-volt jump starter delivers a robust 1700 peak amps, ensuring you can jumpstart your vehicle quickly and efficiently. Its durable design and high-performance capabilities make it ideal for emergencies and heavy-duty use. Featuring a compact, red case for easy handling and visibility, the JNC 770R is a reliable tool for any driver. Keep your vehicle running smoothly with this powerful, dependable jump starter. Number 17. Rev up your roadside assistance with our 3000 A12V car jump starter. Designed for 7.0L gas and 5.5L diesel engines, this powerful battery pack ensures reliable starts every time. It features a user-friendly display, extended smart jump cables, and Quick Charge 3.0 for rapid power-up. The integrated LED light offers illumination in low light conditions, making it a versatile and essential tool for any driver. Stay prepared and confident with this high-capacity, portable jump starter. Number 18. Get powerful and reliable performance with the PowerOn P1 jump starter. This 2000A portable jump box is designed for up to 8.0L gas and 6.5L diesel engines, ensuring you can start a wide range of vehicles with ease. The 12V battery jump starter comes with a convenient carry case for easy storage and portability. Its robust design and high capacity make it a must-have tool for emergency situations. Stay prepared and confident with the PowerOn P1 and vibrant orange. Number 19. Be ready for any roadside emergency with the Clore Automotive Jump and Carry JNC 660. This robust 12-volt jump starter delivers an impressive 1700 peak amps, providing powerful starts for your vehicle. Its durable, blue design ensures both reliability and visibility. The JNC 660 is built for high performance and ease of use, making it an essential tool for drivers who need dependable power on demand. Keep your vehicle running smoothly with this reliable and efficient jump starter. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found the products showcased in this video helpful and interesting. All product purchase links in the description and comment box.